Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sports Info Now. Here we are with the Saturday edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. We bring latest WWE news and updates including Brock Lesnar possibly make a deal outside WWE, while Bayley make an unusual demand to Vince McMahon, and other more fresh WWE stories. So watch this video till the end to do not miss any important WWE updates. Before we start the video, we request you to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So without further ado, let's start our video. Number 5. Brock Lesnar possibly make a deal outside WWE. As per the early WWE rumors, Brock Lesnar is featured in an upcoming Halloween vanity pack of UFC 4 video game as a downloadable character. Brock Lesnar is one of the UFC players who are available in this game to play in a new roster. Now WWE latest news suggested that after this new progression, we can assume that Brock Lesnar might have made a deal with either UFC or Electronics Arts for the UFC 4. We all knew that Brock Lesnar right now is a free agent, who is free to go anywhere if he gets new deal. Now question is, this could be the teaser that we again see Brock Lesnar fight in UFC. So answer is maybe Brock Lesnar make a deal with UFC and he is set to fight there, or maybe he made a deal with just comes in a play of UFC 4 video game only. So let's see what happens next now. Soon we get new development on this and we surely update you on new progress whenever we get. Number 4 is Bayley make unusual demand to Vince McMahon. Bayley is right now on a road to glory and success with his championship reign as a heel superstar. Possibly this is the best time and WWE run she gets in all. It's been 370 days that Bayley held SmackDown Women's Championship and Vince McMahon not even thinks once to get off title from her in this whole reign. Now she gets one of the toughest challenge of her whole WWE title reign. Bayley set to face Sasha Banks for SmackDown Women's Championship at Hell in a Cell 2020 pay-per-view. In the recent interview, Bayley was asked about she sign a contract for Hell in a Cell match or not. In reply, Bayley said that she is nothing to left to prove herself in WWE, and only if he signs a contract if Vince McMahon fulfill her demand. Here is Bayley's demand. Everybody just assume I will sign a contract, and I don't know why. What else do I have to prove? I don't need to prove to you guys. I need to prove to Sasha Banks anything. My uncle and ships to themselves, but I did come up with the great idea in my head. If Vince McMahon doubles my pay in the contract, then I might sign that contract. So these are the words from Bayley, who demanded Vince McMahon to double pay. So this is some unusual demand made by Bayley. Let's see what thing fold out in the end. But we have to prepare ourselves for a great match between Bayley and Sasha Banks at Hell in a Cell 2020 pay-per-view. Number 3 is Vince McMahon take a secret meeting with Mike Foley. According to WWE latest update, Mike Foley met up with Vince McMahon several weeks back for secret meeting. As of now, not much details come out about that meeting, but it will be disclosed soon. Here is some words from that meeting. Mick Foley told that yesterday that he met with Vince McMahon just few weeks back for a top secret meeting and details will be followed soon. So now WWE fans started to speculate that what things are discussed between Vince McMahon and Mick Foley in that meeting. In the past, Mick Foley already pitched some great idea to Vince McMahon and Foley is one of the trustable people of Vince McMahon. Hope they both come up with some great idea or things in the upcoming time. So this is just a small update that we think you should know about it. So stay tuned with us for further update which we give you on our channel. So what your thoughts in mind, you can write us via comment which is always open for you. Number 2 is WWE set to change Lars Sullivan's name. Lars Sullivan make his WWE return recently on SmackDown episode where the first night of Draft 2020 take place. After his return, WWE booked him as a monster heel and it's the obvious choice of WWE. Lars Sullivan wrestled his first match after his WWE return against Jeff Hardy on SmackDown. That match did not last too much longer and in the whole part of that match, Lars Sullivan dominated Jeff Hardy. WWE wants to push Lars Sullivan as a freak. WWE commentator and announcer also speak this name countless times whenever he appeared on WWE TV. Now WWE rumors suggested that WWE could get set to change Lars Sullivan's name soon. The reason behind WWE announcer pronounced Lars Sullivan's name as the freak as many as time, WWE plans to give Lars Sullivan a new name. So in the upcoming time, we can tell Lars Sullivan with a new name is The Freak. After he made WWE return, Lars Sullivan already destroys The Miz, John Morrison, Matt Riddle and Jeff Hardy. And he's all set to another monster push. According to recent WWE spoilers, WWE also planning to big clash between Lars Sullivan and Braun Strowman in 2021. Number 1 is Daniel Bryan give update on his WWE future. Former WWE World Champion Daniel Bryan appeared on tonight's episode of Talking Smack. He made a huge announcement that his current WWE run as a full-time wrestler is his final one. Here is Daniel Bryan's words. I haven't said anything about this, but in my mind, that is kind of my last run. This is my last run as a full-time wrestler. It's not really a scoop. I think you can feel it even in just the way I approach things in a way my mind is as far as my views towards the younger people and that kind of stuff. So these are the words that Daniel Bryan told about his current full-time wrestler. If we look at Daniel Bryan's WWE career, then we can memorize his some top feud against John Cena, Triple H, Randy Orton and Roman Reigns. We can't forget that historic build of his WrestleMania 30 for the WWE World titles. And in the end, we can see that he beat Batista, Triple H and Randy Orton to win WWE titles. This is the most shocking update that given us by Daniel Bryan. This is all from our edition of WWE Rumors Roundup. Hope you all enjoy it. Before you leave, please do like, subscribe, share, comment and press the bell icon for instant video notification. So see you guys in our next video.